Students, can you see my screen now? Students, hello. Hello, students. It's audible now? Can you see my screen?
Yes, yes.
Students, I am Ajay Ramesh, SAP executive. So I have 10 years experience in training. I am currently working as a SAP SD freelance trainer. So that is my profile. So are you fresher or you experienced SAP? You can send me chat only. Anybody experience as a end user code or something, right? Students, okay, this section I will teach you what is SAP, what is ERP, SAP modules, SAP SD overview, course content, and roles and responsibilities, how to learn SAP SD. So you're running SAP SD, right? What is SAP SD? What is SAP? So SAP stands for System Application Portal Data Processing. So our question, what is System Application Portal? What is data processing? What system application ports here you can see? System application ports means sales, production, inventory, HR, all are system application products. So these system application products, data to be made in SAP on. What is data processing? All the system application products data to be maintained in SAP. Our question, why do you want to maintain all the system data in SAP only? For reporting purpose. For reporting purpose, for analysis, for any analytics, we have to maintain data into SAP. That means SAP stands for System Application Products for Data Processing. All system application for data to be maintained in SAP. Suppose you can see suppose today I want to 10 p.m. what are sales here. Suppose today 5 p.m. what are sales. Today end of the day what are sales. So SAP will provide accurate data as a sales, production, inventory, HR, and all the applications. So SAP will provide all applications accurate data. So in this purpose, we are using SAP. So our next question, what is SAP exactly? So SAP is an ERP software. Your SAP is an ERP software. So our next question, what is ERP software? ERP means here enterprise resource planning. ERP means enterprise resource planning. So take an example, what is enterprise resource planning? I am taking one example here. So this is example. So what is enterprise? What is resource? What is planning? What is enterprise here? Any company, any organization, or any one firm, any one entrepreneur, simply called enterprise. Suppose Reliance, the enterprise, Colgate, enterprise, BMW, the enterprise. Okay, Hero Honda, the enterprise, Maruti, the enterprise, any company, any organization, any one firm, simply called enterprise. Suppose you can see I want to start a company, so that is the ABC Tester Private Limited. Suppose if I want to start a company, I require so and such, right? I am starting a new company, I require money. Money is the major resource. Okay, I have 4 crores of money. But if I want to start a company, I require at least 10 crores of money. So in this scenario, I am taking a financial loan only. I approach to bank, I taking any financial loan. So I'm taking finance from so and so institution. This called how do you invest to so and so money to company? It's called financial planning. Whether you are taking a bank loan or a finance, this is all financial planning comes under FICO model. In SAP, all these financial models dealing by FICO consultants. The FICO consultant responsible for all the financial transaction happen in the company. Okay, I have money, I take a bank loan. But how do you manufacturing products? You need some raw manpower, right? For next manpower. So HR will decide. HR will decide how many employees required for your business. Suppose I required 1,000 manufacturing production employees, 2,000 daily labor, 2,000 sales employees, 50 HR people, 50 accounting, okay, 100 inventory department. So HR will decide how many employees required. This comes under manpower planning. All manpower are dealing by SCM consultant, that is human capital management. Yes, I have money, manpower. But how do you manufacturing your products? Need some raw material, right? This is called raw material planning. So where you procure quality of raw material. Consultant responsible for raw material planning. So next machinery. So I have money, manpower, material. But how do you manufacturing products? Need some technology, right? For technical purpose, we have to procure some machineries. All engineering planning comes in machineries only. This is done by PM consultant. So money, manpower, material, machinery available. But what is your product design? It is suppose you can see. So this company will produce these products: dress, shirt, pant, sarees only. Suppose if you go to suppose the dresses we have 10 design, sarees also 20 design, shirt or pant also. This is called production planning. How do you design so and so dress? How do you design so and so shirt? This is comes in production planning. So this is dealing by PP consultant. Okay, once products manufacturing completed, so those products need to sell to market, right? The sales people will do some strategies. They want to give some discounts, offers, 1+1 offer, 10% discount, 30% discount. So sales people decide strategies. All sales and marketing handled by SD consultant. So here SAP is a ERP software. ERP dealing all the company departments. ERP dealing finance for HR, inventory, engineering, production, sales departments. So ERP dealing all the company departments. So it's about ERP. So SAP is an ERP software. You're learning SAP, right? Somebody asking which model you want to learn SAP. So now you can see here these all SAP, Oracle, PeopleSoft, and here they all are ERP software, important ERP softwares. Out of these all ERPs, SAP share is 80%. Out of these all ERPs, SAP share 80%. So next question, you're learning SAP, right? Which model you're learning? You're learning technical module or functional module. You need to understand what is technical, what is functional. So next you can see models in SAP. In SAP, we have two models, that is technical and functional. What is technical? So in this technical model, they will write coding and programming. Only one model available, that's called above one. We have only one model is there, that's called above. Above means advanced business application programmer. Here above will write coding and programming only. Here above consultants will write coding and programming. So next model is functional model. So in this functional model, in this functional model, coding is not required. You provide business solution. These models are SD. SD basically works in order to cash process. SAP SD basically works in order to cash process. SAP SD basically works in order to cash process. So customer places the order. SD point of view, customer places the order only. Once customer places the order, company will distribute the goods to customer hand and mind. That's called SD order to cash process. So next you can see process. Process, that process company will procure some raw material, right? Company will procure raw material only. This is procurement process. So for manufacturing products, company needs some raw material. So that's why consultants will raise purity vendor. So vendor will distribute raw material company only. That process. Next FICO. FICO consider responsibility is dealing all the financial issues like a balance sheet and prognosis accounts. So next PP people responsible for design. What is your product? What is your product MRP something? So next SCM. SCM model. SCM means human capital management. This is responsible by employee payroll, hiring and firing. So we are the functional model. In this functional model, coding is not required. So apart from this functional technical, we have some support models. These support people will support to consultants and both only and users also. Now we can see security. So the security consultant responsibility, they have to resolve SAP username password issues. Suppose I go to open SAP screen here, you can understand what are the security people responsibility students. I open here one SAP screen here, students. So next security people responsibility. Suppose whenever got issue about any username password issues, they have to responsible. They have to reset my password. So they have to assign my task also. 1 minute, I'm opening this S4 server here. To look at this course completely into SAP S4 HANA only. At same time, I will teach ECC also, difference between ECC and S4 HANA. Why? Because when I go to interview, they will ask those questions, difference between ECC and S4 HANA questions. So we can understand those differences also. So now you can see I enter only this username, I forget password. Suppose if I forget any SAP password, we need to connect only security consultants. Security consultant. Those security consultants responsible for resolving SAP password issues. So next basis thing. So in this based on responsibility handling server issues. So in SAP, all configuration will do only development server. So once you run the configuration development server, those configuration move to quality for testing. Testing is first, then move to production only. The production means client can utilize the business process. So this is based on responsibility. Next, you can see PAP. This is process integration, process orientation, integration between SAP and web application. So this is a example you can see. Suppose I am the customer, I place the order. Through integration, this also place an Amazon website. So through integration, those order goes to SAP only. In SAP, what happens? System will create order delivery billing. So they are the support models. So these support models will support to the consultants as well as users. Okay, students, after silly questions you can ask. Just to explain to you what is SAP, what is ERP, and SAP models, right? So this is basic SAP concept. Okay, next go to our module, sales and distribution. Our model is sales and distribution. What is sales and distribution here? Why this is important? Why it is required? What is sales and distribution, right? Our question, what is sales and distribution? So sales and distribution basically works in order to cash process. Suppose if you go to any interview, you'll ask some question. Tell me order to cash process. Tell me OTC process. Both are same only. What is order to cash process? So in this order to cash process, customer will place order, right? That means sales order billing only. Sales order, delivery billing. This is called order to cash process or OTC process. So take an example, you understand what is the OTC process. I am the customer. I am purchasing Samsung mobile. So that cost would be 25,000. I open Amazon website, I place the order. I open Amazon website, place the order. So to integration, this order goes to Samsung sale department. Samsung using SAP. The Samsung sale department, they will give the goods to customer, handle invoice. Once customer received the product, he will pay the money. That means account closed. That means this sale completed. So this is called as a order to cash process or OTC process or online sales. Okay, same thing, right? You're doing online sales. Amazon, Flipkart, Meesho, Myntra, same thing, right? Okay, suppose this is online sales or OTC process. Okay, suppose I place the order so and so dress my sister. Unfortunately, some damage happened. My sister got some angry. Immediately, she will give the complaint. Company only. So that is called written order. So any parts are damaged. What will do? Customer will complain, right? Customer will complain. So based on customer complaint, company will cross check the products, then create written order. So this is also order to cash process. Okay. Next, you can see, no, I don't want to place the order online. I will go to showrooms. Yes, I go to showroom. I purchase a so and so dress. That the dress cost will be 5,000. That billing employee give an invoice. So as per the company policy, okay, if you require product, pay the money immediately. That is called cash. Cash. What is the meaning of cash here? Pay the money. So pick the part immediately. This is called cash. Best example: D-Mart, Value Mart, shopping malls, right? In retail stores. So in these stores, once you want to this product, yes, immediately can pay the money. No, I want to pay the money tomorrow. They can't accept it. So if you want to this product, yes, pay the money immediately. That is cash only. This is also order cash process. And next you can see rush order. Rush order means customer got the part immediately invoice order. I want to purchase a car, Audi car, cost me 40 lakhs. I don't have that much 40 lakhs. Otherwise, I want to purchase one house, the cost would be 60 lakhs. So in this scenario, okay, in this scenario, I will take a bank loan. I will pay the monthly EMI. So, okay, so in this scenario, customer got the product immediately. The company is saying, yes, you can take the product immediately. Yes, you want to house, yes, you can take it. You can pay the monthly EMI. So any monthly EMI payment from Russia only. I am paying monthly EMI of so and so car. EMI something so and so house. EMI payment something so and so air condition. So any monthly payment, EMI payment from the Russia only. So these all are order to cash process. So SAP SD, all the business scenarios relevant for our real-time examples, right? Either rush order, cash, return order to cash process, all business process relevant for our real-time examples. So once you have any experience in online sales or direct sales or a showrooms, okay. So this topic is very simple and easy. Okay, students, any doubts about this? You can ask. This is about order to cash process. SAP SD basically works in order to cash process. Learning SAP, right? Need to understand what a course content. So in this course, I will teach you not only SD, I will teach you some parts of MM, PP, FSU also. So our course content or first topic is enterprise structure. So define SI in enterprise structure. So in this course, I will teach you SD, MM, FSU, PP, all modules enterprise structure. Okay. So next topic, master data. What is master data here? Which information, which records stored in SAP long period of time. That is called master data. So any information. So those records stored in SAP next 10 years, 30 years, 40 years. That is called master data. So in SAP point of view, we have customer master data. What is customer name, customer mobile number, customer email ID, something only, customer address. That is customer name, customer master data. Next you can say metal master data. What is metal master? Simply product data. So I purchased the laptop features, cost, discounts, validity, something only. So next pricing master, simply base price, discount, tax only. So also product base price, discount, tax. Next output master, or output is a printout, email, and tax only. So next you can say CMAR, that is the customer info record. So customer material code means whenever customer places the order with old material code can utilize the similar. So this is master data. So real time end users will get the master data. So as a consultants, we need to provide insert bits of master data. After master data, our next topic is sales documents. A sales document classified into three types: sales, delivery, bin document types. You can see sales, delivery, bin document types. Sales document contain header, item, schedule lines. Your data contain only header item billing. Billing data only header item only. So our coaching sales document control the sales order types. Your delivery control delivery types. Billing control invoices. So what is header, right? Sales document contain header, item, schedule lines. Okay, our question, what is header? Suppose I go to shopping mall here. Suppose I go to shopping mall here, I purchase one product. So this total items for order call header. What is header here? What are I purchase? These total items. These total items for order call header only. Here I purchase saree, dress, shirt, pant, t-shirt. These total items for order call header. Okay, header means here total items. What are you purchase? What is item here? Item is each product. Shirt is item, pant is item, jeans is item. Each product item only. Each product item only. What is schedule line? The meaning of schedule meaning is customer request will confirm quantity. A customer request will confirm quantity. Suppose customer request is for 29th May only. No, 29th May customer not available in a vacation. So customer available 30 May only. That is called customer request due date. How many quantity confirm? One quantity confirmed. That is called schedule line. Customer so request will confirm quantity only. So that is called schedule lines. That is called schedule line only. So it's about sale doc. It's completely configuration only. It's completely configuration only. It's about sale documents. After sale documents, our next topic is basic function. What is basic function? Is simply sales order function. So whenever creating sales order, system automatically these functions. So pricing, output determination, part determination, account determination, route determination, text determination. Okay. Credit management, availability, transfer requirement, cross-selling, listing exclusions. These all comes in basic function only. Okay, this all comes in basic function only. So as per the client requirement, we need to configure basic function only. So after basic function, students, our next configuration only business process only. Once you discuss about not mandatory basic function, are important. Mandatory is only pricing. We have to configure pricing basic function, output, partner determination, account determination, and availability transfer requirement. So as per the client requirement only, we need to configure with all the basic functions. So next go to business process. So in this business process, you can see cash sale, right? I already explained to you what is cash sale. This cash sale, written order, okay, the rush order, okay, it's created in money. These are mandatory only. Free of charge. So every client they need to configure these mandatory business process. Rush order, cash sale, order to cash process, written order, credit memo, data request, free of delivery. So they are the mandatory business process. Every client they need to configure in SAP only. Okay, after this sales document, after this business process, you can see third party sales only. This third party sales, IPO sales, intercompany sales, STO, make to order. Only they're only optional. They're not a mandatory. So as per the client requirement, we need to configure the business process. Third party, IPO, STO, consignment, intercompany make to order process only. So they are only optional only. So they are the optional business process. Okay, next you can see project. You're learning SAP, right? What is the projects covered in this course? So in this course, I will explain to you. So these projects. In this course, I will explain this 4 project. First, implementation project. We need to implement all the configurations. Suppose as per the client requirement, we need to implement only. Simply configuration only. We have to configure the client business process, enterprise structures, master data field, sales documents, basic function. So as per the client requirement, we need to configure all the business process. This is called implementation project. So next you can see support project. What is support project here? Support project means SAP already implemented, recently implemented or long back something. So we need to resolve, we need to support to the client. Suppose client orders not coming, invoice not happen, pricing not created. So in this purpose, we have to resolve client data issues, need to resolve client issues, client business issues. So this is support project. So next you can see rollout project. So in this rollout project, suppose new plan started in Hyderabad. SAP already implemented long back. SAP implemented 4 years back, 5 years back. Today we are starting new plant. The new plant operation starting today only. So this plant will manufacture sounds of products today onwards. We have to configure for new plant. Suppose business expansion. Our company want to sell the products to USA or UK. So you have to do configuration for US location business. That is rollout project, a plan rollout something. Next, upgrade project. So client want to upgrade technology. Suppose client using ECC version. Okay, ECC version, very good version, user friendly, but they want to upgrade technology. They want to upgrade to S4HANA. So this is called upgrade project. ECC to S4HANA. So earlier using mobile, right? 2 year technology available. So then mobile technology coming to 3G, 4G, 5G. At the same time, SAP also investing huge money. Okay, SAP every year they come with new features. The SAP every year coming with a new version. That means data simplification happen. Suppose S4HANA today 2021 available. So okay, this year 2022 available. Next year 2022 coming. So SAP is spending huge amount for R&D only. So every year they are releasing new version, data simplification happen. That is very much useful for the users. Okay. So they are the 4 projects. So in this 4 project, major projects either implemented, phase 2 is major project, implementation support only. So remaining 2 is this rollout upgrade, very small project only, 5 months project, 3 months project only, depends upon the client. So our major project, implementation support only. Okay, students, these are the projects we'll discuss in the class in depth. Next, you can see what is your roles and responsibilities. Suppose this course completed. What your role? You got job in source company, TCS or Infosys, okay, or Tech Mahindra, something, right? So once you got a job in, okay, your role is SAP consultant. After this course, if you got any job in SAP, your role is SAP consultant only. You will be placed in an implementation project, support project. Yes, suppose you got job in implementation project. So in this project, your responsibility, you need to configure all the client business process. Once I go to SAP here, now you can see SAP screen, right? Where you do implementation project, where you do configuration, right? Just open SAP screen, I will show you. So if you want to do any configuration, enter transaction code SPRO here. SPRO means SAP reference object. So the all configuration only. AMG means implementation guide. So you can configure financial accounting if people. Suppose if you are SD, you can do SD only. Your MM is MM will do it. SD, right? I click on SD configuration here. So you need to configure master data fields here. So once you completed, you have to configure all the basic function. You can see basic function here: pricing, free goods, account assignment, availability check, data scheduling, output determination, bid determination, right? Cross-selling, listing exclusion, partner determination. So we have to configure all the client business process here. So as per the client requirement, we need to configure basic functions. Next, you have sales documents here. We need to configure your sales documents, sales document types here. Okay, header, item, schedule lines. Okay, next you have to configure billing also here. So suppose if you got a job in any implementation project, you need to do all the configuration only. As per the client requirement and business, you need to configure all the business process. Suppose you got job in support project. So what is your role support project? You have to resolve client issue only. So what are the client issue? Suppose in Amazon every day 40,000 orders goes to SAP. 40,000 orders goes to SAP in Amazon only. Suppose unfortunately 50 orders not created. Unfortunately 50 orders invoice not happen. So in this scenario, the clients are asking our support. So we need to investigate. We need to investigate where these 50 orders delivery not completed. So these 50 orders are delivery not completed, right? We need to investigate. So listen, these 50 orders stock is not available. So we need to inform to MM team, MM and users will update stock only. Once they update stock, system will create delivery billing automatically. So they are the support issues. They are the support issues. So next, how to learn this course? Next one is how to learn this course. You're learning SAP, right? Okay, how to learn this course? Some people thinking SAP is a very difficult part to learn. Some people thinking no, it will take a lot of time. Some people thinking how to prepare. You don't know, right? Suppose if you want to learn SAP, we have to follow only these 3 steps. Students, okay, in this course, I will explain like a live project. I don't use any standard piece. I take one example. Okay, I will take one company example. So in this company, I will implement SAP. So that means here I will explain client business process. So you need to understand the client business process. Suppose once you understand client business process, so those client business process mapping into SAP. That is called second step. What is mapping? So those client business process we have to configure SAP only. We have done all the configuration of client business process. That is second step. Third step, suppose today 1 hour class completed. At least minimum you have to practice 1 hour. Minimum 1 hour practice. 1 hour class means minimum 1 hour practice. 2 hours, 3 hours maximum. So if you follow these 3 steps, you are expecting SAP within 5 to 4 months. Sorry, 4 to 5 months. So every day continuously you are doing practice 2 hours or 3 hours. You are expecting SAP only within 4 to 5 months. No need to spend 10 hours per day, at least 2 hours. 1 or 2 hours. Minimum 1 hour, maximum at least average 2 hours. You spend in SAP, do the practice, you are expecting SAP. So, Shundaka, this is about our today session. You can ask any doubts, questions, students. Any doubts about SAP, you can ask for clarity to you. Any doubts about SAP? So, SAP SD is very simple course. Okay, you need to require only more practice. You need to understand the concept. Once you understand the concept, you have to those configuration mapping into SAP, and practice also very much important. So, practice is very much important here. So, these 3 steps, okay, you have to follow all of these 3 steps. No need to spend 10 hours per day, 5 hours per day. At least 2 hours you have to spend in this course only. So any questions, any doubts you can ask students. Suppose once you learn this course, your role is a SAP consultant, not end users. Somebody asking earlier, no, I want to join a end user. No, not required. Okay, so you will join as a consultant. That means you have used packages. Okay, that is used packages in the market. So learn SAP SD, do much practice. Okay, our ND here will always support to you. You're all available. Always support to students. Okay, students, any doubts, any questions you can ask. Okay, so you can see this is our ND hardware presentation. Okay, so we have available in social media also. You can open Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube also, students. Suppose this is about our WhatsApp number. You can ping to our WhatsApp number. Our counselors are available. Okay, this is your email ID. So we always support, we always help the students. We will get more information. Students, any doubts you can ask. So the servers will give 3 months only. 3 to 5 months will give 3 to 4 months. 4 months will get server. 4 to 5 months will get server. So once you join this course, we'll get a S4 server. This server is available with you 4 to 5 months. Students, you can within the 4 months you can utilize. So if you start any technical issue, okay, our trainers are available. We will ping to our servers. Trainers, they will always support you. Should any doubts can ask. Any doubts? Any questions can ask students. Any doubts about SAP SD course content, our SAP SD features? You can ask me. I will read you. Any doubts, students? Any questions about SAP SD? So SAP has a huge demand. So coming years, SAP will occupy the entire market. Why? Because next we're expecting a cloud version next 3 to 4 years only. So cloud means same SAP S4HANA only. So once you learn SAP S4HANA, that is equal to cloud only. Same thing are available. This is same. That is also cloud. Also same configuration in S4HANA. So learn SAP. You have a better future. Future. 41 months of training. So students, okay, this training is not 4 to 5 months. This training only 3 months only. This training only 3 months. This is the only 3 months course, not for 5 months. It's a very simple course. Okay, very simple course. You can easily understand the concept also. So initial ways, suppose if you complete this course, your role is SAP consultant. Your role is simply SAP consultant. Suppose role consultant, junior consultant, assured consultant, SAP consultant, senior consultant, SAP SD team lead, and SAP SD project manager, SAP SD delivery head. That is the role only. That's structure. So if you join this course, your role is SAP consultant only. Any questions, students, you can ask. Any doubts? Any questions you can ask.
Sir, are you providing global certification also?
Certification, not a global certification. Hindi has been provided certification. Global certification, we can write the examination. So Hindi has been. So we will provide certificate. We will provide certificate also available. We will provide certificate. We will provide internship. We will provide Java instance. All are available.
Sir, in company, which certificate is required, institute or global?
For job purpose, certificate not required. Job purpose, they require knowledge only, good knowledge, good subject. That is mandatory, not certificate.
If we want global certification, then Henry Irvin can help us.
Henry Irvin, okay, we will help to students for GOV application. If you want to read the GOV application, we always support the students. We always give the material and we always support to the teaching all the things that is available. But you need to apply the GOV application.
Okay, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
I'm right now. I'm working as a end user.
Hmm.
How to switch to consultant level? Means I have a 2.5 years of experience in Infosys.
Okay. Yeah, you
Yeah,
learn this course. Yeah, you can learn SAP SD course. You can switch to as a consultant role. That is very easy.
How to switch over there as a consultant?
No. Once you this
Means if I give the interview, they will ask about. Means my package is also very low.
No issue, no, not a problem. Suppose even your package is also not problem. S/4HANA package start from the 6 lakhs onwards. So if you learn
It's
SAP,
S4HANA or SAP SD?
SAP SD, yes, both are same only. SD means SD and S/4HANA.
SD means S4HANA only, no?
We have only two versions in SD. ECC, all SAP only. In SAP, old version called ECC. New version called S/4HANA.
No. You are going to teach us SAP SD S4HANA, right?
Yes, S/4HANA only. S/4HANA only. SAP SD and S/4HANA.
Okay. Means is there any opportunity like if I work as an end user?
End user is different. End user is very simple role. Even suppose if you learn 10 days, you can join as an user. That's not a user, right? Very less package for end user. So your role is, your task is, your aim is you need to get a job as a consultant. That is use package.
Means if they ask in interview like you are worked as an end user, how will you do that? Like if they ask how should I answer that question?
Hello?
How should I tackle that question?
Tell me. Okay, sure. Something tell me.
If
Hello?
they ask, hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, if they ask in interview, you worked as an end user, how do you do that? Like if they ask like this, how should I tackle that question?
No. Yeah, suppose even if you work as an end user, okay, end user, no problem, right? Because you already learn SAP, right? So for resume, you already written, right? So you have experience in as an end user, you learn something, right? That's not a problem. You already trained, right? You inform the interviewer, yes, I have worked as an end user, but I trained in SAP SD. So academically, you will get a job.
Should I mention that or not? Yeah, end user experience. Should I tell them directly? I worked as a consultant.
That is, so those topics I will teach you in resume preparation. Resume preparation time I will teach you how to put your points in resume. I will help you. Don't worry about that. So your task is you have to learn SAP properly, right? The resume preparation, I am there. Okay, I will help you resume preparation. How to put the point. Okay, which company you want to add in resume? I will help you.
Okay.
So any other coaching students? Any other questions?
Okay. Sir, myself, sorry for the name.
Tell me.
Sir, how about the offline and online batches are available, sir?
So Henry Irvin available only online only, not offline. Online available right now. Take that online only. That is discussed our support team. Support team is our counselor will guide you. Okay, students, that is okay. As of now online, but in case offline also they will support, you can discuss to them. Our support team is there. Should any other questions? Any doubts? Any other questions?
Hi, this is Mani from Chennai.
Tell me.
Actually, right now, what is the latest versions in SAP?
Latest version is S/4HANA only. Latest version is SAP S/4HANA.
S/4HANA. What is like S/4Q? Actually, right now I'm working in client side in HPCL, Hindustan Petroleum Corporation. They are implementing the software SAP right now. I am a support team, IT support in the working right now there.
Okay.
Before I have 1 year experience in like SD and sales order in ExxonMobil. Okay, actually I'm not broad knowledge in on that. Only I know the sales order and
No.
only sales.
Okay, no issue. Happily learn this course. Once you learn this course, you can understand how sales orders happen, this happen.
Yeah, I know sales order about everything I know, but I not in-depth knowledge like up
No
to the.
issue. No, not a problem. No, you don't. Even you don't have knowledge in SAP, also no problem. So in this course, I will explain like basic onwards. What is SAP? What is ERP? What?
Yeah, before you told na like what is ECC? Right now in HPCL using ECQ. What is ECQ and S4Q? Because the people said this is in Southeast Asia, this is first implementing the software in SAP. They said like that. No one using in Southeast Asia.
No. So in this course, we have to discuss all the topics. Okay, don't worry about that.
Okay. But the people said that in SAP the version is 770.
Not 770. This is S4 HANA we're using. that is 770. The different version. That different topic only. So this is SAP.
No,
S4
I think so. This is okay.
Okay, students. Thank you for joining. Have a nice day. All the best. Learn SAP and enhance your career. Okay. Thank you for joining. I'm Ajay signing out.
Thank you.
Thank you, students. Have a nice day. Thank you, students.
Thank you, sir.